Hey guys, this is Lego City Star Wars fan. I'll be doing a review on the Lego Technic fireplane. It's pretty cool set. Here's the front of the box. Ages 9 to 16. Set number no. That means 42040. I just said the numbers in Danish. And here's the fireplane thing. Here's the side, and here's the back. You can build the airplane with that too, which I'm probably not going to do that, just because I just don't want to. But anyways, you get the water, fake water of course, there to put in the plane, which I'll show you later in the video. Here's the plane. Looks pretty good. If you can see the propeller move, how the propeller is moving because I have of this wheel. See, pretty cool, right? And here's the back wheels, which of course just turns, doesn't do anything, and the plane can of course land on water. I presume this is like Lego has done like 4 seaplanes so far. It's this one and a few from city sets, like this one Swamp Police sets had a sweet water plane. In 2010 they made an airport famous a normal kind of water plane, and in 2008 a police plane. This is a pretty nice plane. Probably the second Lego fireplane in the city set. They did a fireplane from 2012. But anyways, there you go. If you see this hatch right here, this is where you can put your water. But before I do that, don't know if you can see, but there's the elastic right there. And that's to, if you push this, then the water falls, which I'm going to show you right now. So you watch, if you push, watch when I push this. See, the water fell, which is pretty good. And if you like move these, then this thing turns at these when these things are moving. Here's the propeller. You could turn it to, but then now the wheels are moving. And here's the tail fin, back wings, and here's the main ones. Here's a sticker right here, fire, and one of these two is actually extra pieces, which is probably the top one. And so that I just put in there for the fun of it. So, and here's the top side too, the red. So I don't think there's the parts where the plane can go in water. Oh, and you can see right on the front is some seats. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. Later today I'll review the 2 Star Wars sets, so I'm gonna later review this. The Force Awakens. This is actually for 2016. I'll review this. And tomorrow, if you see the city set in the background, I'll review that tomorrow. But it'll be on a separate video. I'll explain, you know why, because that's big. And you'll know what part 1 will be. You'll see what part 1 is tomorrow. So, yeah. So, please rate, comment, like, and subscribe. And bye.